Trade war fears are back on Wall Street. Stocks are going down, 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 and this is your Morning Jolt. I have 3 things you need to know. That's Kinsey Grant next to me. We'll get to her in a second. Starting the day off, Daimler issued a profit warning out of the blue. It thrust itself into the trade war. They said they might see slower sales of Mercedes because of the tariffs. And I think if you're a bullish investor and you're trying to get positioned into the second quarter, you have to be concerned about Daimler's profit warning. It gives you a glimpse into what other big companies might say when earnings start to hit the fan in July. Buyer beware. But why Kinsey's here? Micron. Mind-blowing tech stock. What you got?
Definitely. So this is one of those stocks that's not struggling today. Shares are up almost 5% pre-market. They've gone up like 11% in the past, 12, 13 hours. Yeah. And we all think here in the newsroom that it's because of this really, really strong investor day that they held on Monday. They announced, I got some notes here on numbers, $10 billion of share buybacks. And according to Credit Suisse, that could result in an EPS accretion of 50 cents per share. And that's on top of their previous estimate of $11.50 per share, which is a pretty strong, could be a pretty strong earnings for Micron.
You like that name, Micron?
Yeah, I like it.
That's okay. Yeah. Okay. So you know, Jim Cramer had a phenomenal piece on Real Money about Micron today. Check it out. Check it out. And Micron, I don't know if I like the name.
Yeah.
All right, we'll go back to work.
You want to name it something else?
Maybe. I'll think about it. I'll let you know. I'll see you guys soon. All right. So staying on the tech theme. Tech stocks more broadly. Outside, we have the story of the day with the markets. Tech stocks more broadly. Market is obsessed. You know, our London bureau chief, Martin Boccardo, great story from him this morning. He points out the top 5 biggest U.S. tech stocks are poised to pass $4 trillion valuation today. That is crazy. What are some of those stocks? All the names you've been trading for the past, I don't know, a bazillion years. Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Google/Alphabet, Microsoft, Action Alerts Plus Holding. These stocks have gone absolutely mind-blowing. But if you even take a step back from Martin pointed out, I mean, the global value, the U.S. value of U.S. tech stocks, $6.6 trillion. I wrote about that earlier in the week. It's out of control. All people own are tech stocks. But every big name person that I talk to on Wall Street, they're saying these people that are piled into tech stocks, they need to be worried. Why? Because rising interest rates. The interest rates are going up, which makes it more expensive to bet or use leverage on these tech stocks. It's time to rotate out of tech. Maybe go and buy yourself some CDs. What else we got? Lesson of the day. I have to leave you with a lesson of the day. You know, Disney's almost $72 billion offer, or revised offer for Fox's asset, borders on reckless. And my lesson of the day to all people out there, fear a ticking time bomb inside a company, even really large ones that you could think can handle an explosion. What Disney is essentially saying here, they're going to load up their balance sheet with so much debt. What does that mean? Any continued underperformance in their core legacy media app business, assuming they get the Fox, they're going to see some flat-out earnings misses. So I think whoever that unnamed CEO is that's going to take the mantle from Bob Iger, he's going to have to come in within the first 3 to 6 months and really reset Wall Street's profit estimates, assuming that Fox gets integrated into that major cost savings plan. Is going to have to come to Disney if they close on this Fox business. Buyer beware on there too as well. Be sure to sign up on the Morning Jolt newsletter right down below. I'll see you guys later.